May line na din no. Awalis. Ano man? Take line. Push next up.
Naglog sa dali.
Oh,
Fuck boss na pa man.
Grunt. Imo grunt.
check.
Lagi nga focus sa buot.
Kami sa end yung iwan. Así en vía tiene la nueva, ¿eh?
Kita na bite.
Vai, como tá ela não vai visitar, não sabe onde já via a ação. Como tá ela não vai visitar o bar.
Okay, po na ako tapos na.
Konting.
Outside no, ano?
Basket na pala nag-asir eh. Hindi pa yung fired. Captain na ba eh? Elvis. Jamaican adventures. There. Kill the big fish after that. Definitely. What's that? A rocky ride? What the? Ja, en bil, jag ser en båt av schax idag. Hi man. Asa man? Sa sola. Well, big man.
Inap, ano yung bad pag kumapin ako. Inap dong in.
Eh?
Yeah, that's the worst part.
Eh, jack dong nga pa rin.
Oh, we rise up high, baka po, ang jump in money.
Eh? Oh, yeah.
Yo, wala, ako book some more. Mas which way current around, regardless the breeze that comes up, the current we have to back up.
Reefer is ano? Yeah, so peep, so second na the car na sa ino, saya sa chuguan, chuguan. Let out. What you got there? Ang overboard. Taman peep, so bush ang kaman, no? Ang kaman. Ang kay mo usil kang klaing balong pa na bata-bata pa. So set yang kaya no. Let it go bush. Ciao for violin.
Hey, check.
It's
Night.
Pagkat kasi first na pa night, you know? Snapaan. Oh, turn back.
Eh.
You see him?
Hindi pa ni.
Big one. Watch my boss up yan, no make him boss up yan. Big one.
Away line is pan so.
Oh, me wrap it on the boat.
Yes.
Me get. Go on, Len. Take it far on it. You want it? You want the real Elvis?
Yeah man, take it.
See that? Over the wallet.
One bar.
See that wallet real. Oh, what that?
Jar on the boat man.
No man.
So you sit in dry boat?
Eh? Eh boss?
Hindi pa ni.
Eh? Oh, what?
Air shark.
No make him boss ano no? You want me to drive me in the gloves? Mama said we can put Wallace bush. Wallace. Mama said we can put. Here my peeps. Show the peeps on my face there. Watch it. Yes, they want one. We don't know what is my peeps.
May line out there no.
What is? Oh man. Take it. Push it next to them.
Nag-vlog sa dali.
Shark explosion screen. Ano tapan this?
No man, shark man, hard ba. Ako wrap this ras on the seat today. Bossy. Kotok ko yan.
Why? We don't know what is.
Turn back.
Turn back is big. Big ah?
Turn back.
Big.
Wala yan.
Turn back my peeps. Stingray, so stay tuned now man, still kasi sa tapan. Rang sok mukit. So yes man my peeps, watcha. I know we still are fighting now, but one oh no they are fighting, watcha. The line is stiff na boss natin na. Yeah man, there's a big stick here. Guitar, a big Stingray. Tapan na kasi pa na. Ang invited is that? Is that? Nanok na wala. A well big bajai mo peeps me if you catch from the camera. In broad like in the boat yeah. And look nice. You know? So stay tuned. We have to see if we can take him off of the line and let him go back and go about his ways. Because you know, when you pick up a line, find a peeps. So top one, they catch off a 80 pound top and 70 pound top and 60 pound. And then take up a line. After some things, I'm bingo, you know, man. Alright, push.
Oh boy, tap with wood. Lord.
Push it. Push it and see if we can take a piece of her. So say, monster that, you know. And I'm my line choose to grab me now. What say? So that's something there. Killer that. Say, you know what I do? Bush you stay over there, so me come over and say, yes, that.
Yeah, watch yourself. And
Yes, that.
And tail land.
Yeah, the tail can come over that boat.
No, see, no man, drum is in the head, no man. See,
Alright, hold on.
And in a reel, it's a turn back. Turn back, man.
Turn back.
Yeah, man, in a reel.
One more again, peeps. You look good at all. Ma turn the boat, ma jar the boat, you know?
But I look a line, you pick up.
I look like pick up. Ma boss it.
Turn back, man.
Rain more seems start rain now.
Pan in a reel,
Yeah.
a turn back.
I might get a chance to jam though.
A boat, a draw.
Oh. Just we don't want him. Or jack line the bush, jack line there.
I'm making both.
I can boss it. Alright, peeps. So, ali hook, ali angkat, suwang ka lang siya. So, yeah, ada line set off na water na. Almost line na ta. 1, 2. Oh yeah, line 4 by front to this to.
Line over there, so 2 for me.
Oh, come on, paso. Yan, peeps. So, mas kita bite, no? We don't know what the pan line. Suit it, what the pan line. Turn back, turn front, turn sideways. As
Come on, water tap.
yeah. Stingray we call turn back, peeps. Because a big one since night, and this is like our next big one. It look like it's so big. Peeps, him again. Yeah, I'm going to show you people what so guys. What's that? Big. Them big tonight, peeps. Unfortunately, them, you know, what's this thing? You know, we have to stay far, you know. Yeah, man. So,
You keep boat today?
yeah. That can't board boat. Peeps, first na pa yung mga niya. See him? Nice quarter pound size. Bush first catch peeps. Grunt. Yung mga grunt, no? It's a jack, man. Mga grunt, but it's a jack, you know? Alright, so kato lang sim dyan ka pa kayo. Check him up, Bush, ah. Check him up. Yan nga, my peeps. Take him up. Hindi na catch none last night, you know, so I catch no. Take him up. My line this was off, so I go to back, you know. So don't go back na one, peeps. So go on. Jack in one. Jack na batang na boat. So we lift it on. Yes, on peeps. This one does a pick up. I feel I catch him, you know. Yeah. So, great bush address, so. I know Captain Elvis on so. Man, look like he might jump something. I'm sure no one take a peeps.
I take care, man.
May boss up yan, no? Oh, fat jack, pound size. He might grunt like my grunt. And he might jacky.